Hello guys, today's our topic is about the black and white Petra. So I am telling about the Petra. So Petra is the superficial infection of the hair shaft and it is divided into two types. So one is the black Petra and another one is the white Petra. So now I am telling just about the black Petra. So the black Petra is caused by the fungus known as Petrae horta, and it is mostly found in the tropical areas, and this fungal infections occurs or affects the hair in the scalp, and these present or mostly seen in the younger adults, and the prognosis of the black Petra is good. So guys, now I am telling about the characteristics of the black Petra. So black Petra is generally darkly pigmented and presents as a nodules. Nodules are the hard and vary in size. The nodules sizes are different one from one another. It's always vary, and it commonly affects the scalp hair. So guys, this is a little brief, this is a little discussion about the black Petra. Which fungus causes black Petra, where it is present, and what parts of our body is affected by the infections black Petra, and their characteristics I discuss here in this paragraph. Now let's move to the another Petra, that is the white Petra. So white Petra is caused by the Trichosporum asahi. So Trichosporum, this fungus causes the infections known as the white Petra, and it mostly present in the temperate or semi-tropical areas, and it affects the pubic hair, beards, eyebrows, eyelashes, axillary hairs of the individuals or of the patient, and its prognosis is also good like a black Petra. So guys, now I am telling about the characteristics of the white Petra. So what is the characteristics of white Petra? So the white Petra is irregular, white cream colored, or maybe in brown soft nodules present on our body, or it is also a gelatin like sheaths along with the shaft of the hair. So this is a little bit explanation about the characteristics of the white Petra. So guys, now I am going to shift in another. Here also we can also say that the white Petra can easily detected from the shaft of the hair. So these are also the characteristics of the white Petra. It also less common in the scalp. This white Petra is less common or less present in the scalp as compared to the black Petra, and it is asymptomatic. White Petra is asymptomatic. The symptoms may be absent, or symptoms may be absent in the white Petra, and if we will do comb, then we can see the metallic sound when we will do brushing of our hair. So these are the characteristics of the white Petra. Some notes in here I tell something common in both black Petra or white Petra. So both black Petra or white Petra affects the hair, and it affects the different body parts of the human body. and it also causes the hair breaking down, means hair follicle, because the shaft of the hair is weakened by the cuticular penetration. So here in both black Petra or white Petra causes the hair follicles in the individuals. So guys, these Petras, means white Petras and black Petra, both are common in male and female. Both sexes are what affected equally. So guys, now I am going to shift in the differential diagnosis of the Petra. So how we will differentiate, how we will diagnose the Petra or the Petra's infections. So we should know the pediculosis, needs, hair casts, and developmental defects of hair shaft, tinea capitis, and hand eczema. If these infections or these symptoms is seen in the body of the individual patient, then we can say that the patient has the petral infections or the infections caused by Petra. So guys, after the differential diagnosis, I am going to tell about the treatment of the Petras. So how we will do treatment of the Petras, of both black Petras or white Petras. So guys, the treatment of the Petras are the choices. We can also shape the hair, and we can also cut the hair of the individuals which are suffered by the Petras. So this is the choice, treatment of choice: shaving or cut of the hair. These are the treatment of choice of the Petra. And we can give the terbinafine orally to the patient if the patient have black Petra. And if the patient have white Petra, then we will give the imidazoles and cyclopiroxolamine. For these two drugs, like imidazoles and cyclopiroxolamine, given to the white Petra patients. And we will also give the 2% selenium sulfide to the patients who are suffer from the Petra. So guys, in this lecture I told about the white and black Petra. So definition: what is meant by Petra, what is black Petra and their characteristics, what is the white Petra and their characteristics, how the Petras, black Petra caused, which fungus causes the black Petra, which fungus causes the white Petra. So, and I also tell about the differential diagnosis and treatment about the Petra. So guys, in previous lecture I already told about the tinea versicolor and the tinea nigra, and the next lecture I will discuss about the otomycosis. These all fungal infections comes under the superficial mycosis. So guys, I hope you like my videos or you gain some knowledge. So please like, share and subscribe my channel so you can get more updates about the next video, about the next topic. Thank you so much.